Samsung just reported a massive 19-fold profit jump. But instead of celebrating, Wall Street panicked. Deepening fear over the future of AI triggered an immediate, devastating stock plunge that shocked investors. Panic hits the market. Investors dump Samsung's stock fast. Fear grows that the AI boom is stalling. If tech giants pull back now, Samsung's chip empire could crumble. The golden era might be over. But Samsung's AI dreams are hitting a massive wall. Their high-bandwidth memory chips are stuck in supply chain gridlock, and demand is cratering. If they don't fix this fast, their hardware crown is gone. Silicon Valley is sweating. The AI gold rush is hitting a wall as nervous investors stare at skyrocketing valuations. They're asking the terrifying question, is this a revolution or just another massive tech bubble about to burst? Inside Samsung, panic is setting in. Executives are scrambling to salvage the Nvidia deal, but it might be too late. SK Hynix and Micron have already seized the market, leaving the tech giant in the dust. Inside Samsung's labs, the lights never go out. Engineers run on caffeine and pure panic. They must redesign these chips immediately. If they fail Nvidia's brutal tests, it is game over for the tech giant. Samsung's CEO scrambled to the podium, pleading for patience. But Wall Street wasn't buying the excuses. As the cameras flashed, panic selling intensified, wiping billions off the giant's value in minutes. The freefall had begun. The fear spread like wildfire. Tech giants watched their valuations evaporate overnight as global markets bled billions. The first crack in the AI bubble had finally appeared, and everyone was scrambling for the exits. Suddenly, the AI gold rush ground to a halt. Tech giants froze their projects. Boards demanded proof of profit before wasting more billions. The party was over, and the bean counters were in charge. Desperate times, Samsung is killing its futuristic AI chip projects. Engineers are walking away from years of work, shifting all focus back to basic, legacy silicon. It is a brutal retreat just to survive. SK Hynix swept board, locking down Nvidia. Rivals scrambled for remaining scraps, leaving Samsung stranded on sidelines. Memory giant watched Empire slip away. How did they miss AI train? Samsung fire boss. Stock crash force change. Script. Chaos at Samsung. The board just fired the CEO after the stock plummeted. With billions wiped out overnight, they had no choice. But will this desperate leadership change actually save the tech giant? The new CEO just took the reins and tore up the playbook. Every current project is dead. Starting right now, all resources shift to one single mission: win back Nvidia, whatever it takes. Script right, text, they finally did it. The new chip is built and shipped straight to Nvidia. Every single job, the entire company's survival, now rests on this one final test. Will it work, or is it all over? The final test results are in. Nvidia's massive gamble is on the line. Will this risky bet save the tech giant, or is the empire about to crumble forever? What do you think lies ahead?